nobody's.
It was in charge. It was for the New York Special Olympics. The whole 4th of July weekend in Saratoga Springs, all firemen. And
Nobody does it no more?
no one's sponsored. No one's running. They would love to have it there, but this guy spent 6 months getting it together. Now no one runs it. No one lives up there and wants to do it. I told him, hell, we can do it here on a true farm in Lewisboro. They got enough room for 1,000 cars here. Doing it in the park. Because all the guys are from New England. We got guys coming from Ohio, Canada, Vermont. They'll come here, throughway, and it'll be drag race the whole way there. Going 130, 135 miles an hour, like 8 or 9 Trans Ams. But the blue car won the Greenwich Concourse this year.
That's what he said.
And it won first place the first year we had it on the road at the Saratoga show. This won first place 2 years ago. I won 3 years ago. The Bandit won the year before that.
That's awesome.
They love it when we show up.
I was showing you your electronics car. Oh, yeah.
Sounds nice, sounds deal.
Yeah.
Take care, guys. That's nice. Watch out, Zeal.